Strong layouts guide your eyes so naturally that the movement feels almost invisible. Today, how to create directional visual compositions. Open Canva and start with a square canvas. Insert 3 frames arranged diagonally across the layout to establish smooth directional flow. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting them carefully for continuity and storytelling. Select the background and apply a gradient that follows the same movement through the composition. Add thin arrows or connecting line accents with low opacity to subtly guide attention from one section to another. Slightly rotate one frame to introduce energy while maintaining structure. Use position tools to align